Please come on, please stand. Before any program, it is a tradition to light the lamp. May I request our principal sir, vice principal madam, and two parents, lady side one and male side one, to come and light the lamp. Morning parents, it is very happy to see you all. You have assembled here for the orientation program for class 1. It is an important and mandatory program given by KVS to explain about KVS. So I welcome you all for this program. In the midst of your busy schedule of work, you have accepted to be here just half a day. As we have so many programs continuously one after another, our principal is also very busy. All of you are able to see our principal is young and energetic, highly dynamic. So many activities we can say that your children are so blessed to study under his guidance. Now children, we welcome you to their song. Welcome song.
Shine.
Now I request Mr. Sir to give his address.
Most respected Srimati S. Malli, Vice Principal, respected Mrs. Bala Jaidadi, HM in charge, respected teachers, beloved parents of class 1 and loving children sitting here. Very good morning to all of you. Namaskar, vanakkam. கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் ஸ்மைல் பண்ணுங்க. ஏதோ டைட்டா இருக்கீங்க எல்லாரும் காலையிலேயே. வெயில் தாக்கமும் எனக்கு தெரியுது. வணக்கம். தேங்க்யூ. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்மைலாகவே இருக்கு நினச்சி வரையும். கோமா இருந்தாலும் சும்மா பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. ஏன்னா ஒரு கண்டிஷன் என்கிட்ட நத்திங் இஸ் ஸோ குட். ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு மீட் அவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் grade 1, the lovely stars of our Kendriya Vidyalaya, Meenambag. I will be just translating here and there because I know the mixed group of parents are sitting here.
So many parents they want to get the admission in KV Meenambag. Even some parents came from Tamaram. So all the schools are same. I am telling. No, we have know that something is special in KV Meenambag. So you be thankful to the Lord Almighty. There are lakhs of people are longing and trying to get the admission. You all have been blessed. So be happy with that. We welcome you all to our KVS Meenambag. So Kendriya Vidyalaya institution, we are having set of rules and regulations, not like other schools. KVS rules are completely different. So we cannot compare. Another child is studying LKG, UKG, they are writing so many things, this, that. But here, the activity should be completely different. We'll be seeing one by one. National Education Policy has given some set of rules. Whatever KVS says, that we will follow. You parents cannot question why it is not that this. As per the KVS rule, whatever things should be done, we are doing. Okay? The National Education Policy has told that now parents should be involved in all the activities of the children. Parents, teachers and students. The three together only we can bring the children out. Okay? The 12-week program. Vidya Pravesh is 12-week program. In this 12-week program, we won't take any classes. Only the activities, coloring, doing some activities. Sometimes they may ask to stick the picture, some storytelling, film show, singing, rhyme. So many activities teachers will be doing in the class. But you won't be knowing that. Now 12 weeks, 3 months after that, one playing notes, particularly the 12-week program, we will make them ready. That is called Vidya Pravesh. We will start the lesson only from August 1st. August 1st, it is enough to send the books and notebook to the school. Till July 31st, you no need to send any books or notebook to the school. Teachers won't be asking that. In case they are asking you to bring just to draw the lines or something, they will keep ready. You parents also should be ready. Teachers also should be ready, and children also should be ready to take the classes right from August 1. That is called, it is Vidya Pravesh and Student Readiness Program. The main thing is, when the children come to class 3, the children must be ready to read anything, and also they should have known the fundamental steps of the mathematics. That is the goal of any. Third standard வரும்போது அந்த பிள்ளைங்க கையில என்ன ஒரு புக் கொடுத்தாலும் they should be ready to read. அதுக்கு தான் we are making them ready. அதுக்கு parents support very much needed. கிளாஸ்ல என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு every day evening you should come. You should ask your children. இன்னைக்கு என்ன ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணீங்க? What did you enjoy in the school? உனக்கு என்ன யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது? Everything you should ask at least 2-3 minutes. Next, this is just now we told before it was school readiness program. Now it is called as Vidya Pravesh. NEP has told that parent also should be ready. Teacher also should be ready, and student also should be ready to take the lesson right from August 1st. So the 12 week is called as school readiness program. So plan for action 1 to 6 weeks. That's all. Triangular participation. Triangular participation I told father, teacher and student. Parents, teacher and student. So many activities have been given in Vidya Pravesh. We are having 12 weeks. What are the things to be done? The teachers will have the plan in their hand. Accordingly, they will be taking. They will be doing so many activities in the classroom. It is given by KVS, not framed by the teachers. It's mandatory all over India. Not over the India, Tehran, Continent and Russia, all they should follow only the same thing. Everywhere the same thing. Based on this only we have framed the book. All the days, months. We want teachers to be sending. So morning assembly they will have yoga. Gardening is introduced this year. Children should be involved in gardening. It is introduced only this year, children. Again, singing. If your child is very much talented, you post in the group, my child is talented in singing. The teachers will make them to sing in their class. You should tell them. Sometimes children will be frightening and they won't be talking to the teachers. You on the group report game, best in dancing, singing. These 3 months you make them bring out all their talents. Okay? Again, tracing. They are doing the tracing work in the book. Mask making. We are having ready-made. We will be doing activity, origami. Everything will be going. Different products. That is, FLN has told that first, that taking care of the health and well-being of the children is the first goal of the NEP. Health and well-being. 3 goals have been given by NEP. KVS should follow that. First is taking care of the health and well-being. Health and well-being is not like dressing or anything. Their finger movements, their hand-eye coordination. Based on that, the book is going. They should color, they should concentrate, they should choose the color. If elephant means what color I should choose, flower means what. So based on that, that is called health and well-being. And the second goal is they should be effective communicators. In class, you also should train them, we also should train them. Second goal they have given, they should be effective communicator. In school first they should be ready to that. Then involve the learners. என்ன ஆக்டிவிட்டி நடந்தாலும் அந்த பசங்களை இன்வால்வ் பண்ண சொல்லணும். நீங்களும் நாங்களும் பண்ண வைப்போம். சில பசங்க அப்படி டல்லா உட்கார்ந்து இருப்பாங்க. They will take little more time. சில பிள்ளைங்க ரொம்ப ஆக்டிவா இருப்பாங்க. But the goal of national education policy is all the children should be involved learners. That is the 3 goals. Based on that only all the activities we have made. See, during the race program we have lot of more than 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, they have got the materials and kept all the playway things. We have a resource room. KVS has given a lot of fund. We have bought all the playway materials. Everything will be used during this class period. Mask, puppets, and some indoor games, outdoor games, everything. As it is so hot this month, we have stopped them not taking outside. Otherwise, all the activities will be taken place one by one. Children will come and take it. All the activities will be organized by your teachers. 1 or 2 activities last year what I have done, they are doing the collage work, drawing, coloring, and eating manners. You should train them to eat within 20 minutes time. KVS has given only 20 minutes lunch break. By opening the box itself, it will be over by 10 minutes. So you should give them practice these 2 months. Whatever they can eat within that 20 months, you give the food. Either you feed them after 2:30. They should know within that they'll be talking. So that instruction you should give without talking. First you concentrate in your eating. You bring napkin, train them 10 minutes time for snacks and 20 minutes time only for lunch. Within the 20 minutes they should finish their lunch. Accordingly give them food. And don't give any junk food or tempting food like that. Otherwise they will be asking, small children, they will be asking others. If some other child has brought noodles, all will be stretching their hands. So whatever healthy food, other food you feed them after evening or other day. Then they come to school, you give them. You also should teach the eating manners, how to bring the napkin, how to eat. Try to feed them with the spoon maximum. Sometimes, rarely, water won't be available. They will be roaming around. So to the maximum, try to give them practice by eating food. Lunch time also, all the teachers will be with them, will be helping them. And also I have told so many children will be bringing the lunch box that madam we are not able to open. We teachers also within the 20 minutes we should eat and we also will have so many work. We cannot open and give, not like LKG or UKG children. So you give the tiffin box that which can be opened by themselves. அவங்களால எந்த டிஃபன் பாக்ஸ் ஓபன் பண்ண முடியுமோ அதை கொடுங்க. இல்லாட்டி அந்த பிள்ளைக்கு டைம் will be wasted. It's a request from the child. Our teachers cannot do for all the 40 children. So that and all you should keep in mind. So many activities will be conducted by the teachers during this period and children will be asked to do do some collage work, and this is making autumn with the alphabet for finger flexibility. Throughout the year we will be conducting so many activities and coloring, reading. I have given only the glimpse, storytelling. Teachers will tell the stories and also teach children also work any language they can come and tell the story. Some children will come and tell the story in Tamil. Okay, we will encourage them. So whatever talents they have, you just impose my child and do. We will make them to do in front of all the children. And teachers also. So tell them that the child should be involved in all the activities. And this is how you come to know what is that. So many programs will be going. The parents, those who are already children are studying, will know that what are the activities are what. Here, this is the important point. There will be no homework for class 1 and 2 in KVS. No parent can come and tell that we get homework we should not give that is offense for them. But we will give a small homework like coloring, shading, sticking pictures, such kind of thing we will give. But not writing pages after the LKG pages they will have done so many times. Here we should not give any homework for class 1 and 2. KVS rule. Okay, so don't come and argue that. Okay, but we will test the children. We will give the mark every month. They don't know they have been tested. அந்த பசங்களுக்கே தெரியாது நம்மளுக்கு வந்து டெஸ்ட் பண்றாங்க. அந்த குழந்தை ஒரு ஸ்டோரி சொன்னேன், அதை கேட்டோன்னே ஆன்சர் பண்ணானா இல்லையா, ஓகே திஸ் பாய்ஸ் குட், வி வில் பி கிவிங் மார்க். when we get the progress report we come to know how madam ஒரு டெஸ்ட்மே கண்டக்ட் பண்ணி இவ்வளவு கிரேட் போட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா we will be observing from the day 1. அந்த குழந்தை டல்லா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அப்புறம் மார்க் will be coming down. So that you should encourage them. அவன் ஆன்சர் பண்றானா, அவன் போறானா, பார்த்துட்டு எழுதுறானா, எழுதினோட சப்மிஷன் வரானா, இதெல்லாம் we will be observing. Accordingly we will be giving mark. அந்த குழந்தை சொன்னோட எழுதி பாடுதா, சொன்னோட எழுதுறானா, everything by observation only will give mark for classes 1 and 2. But cycle test like we will be giving up to 1 or 3 months because as so many parents are requesting. Actually it is not mandatory by KVS. Once in 3 months we will give some worksheet. Just worksheet like we will give a small test. Otherwise no test, no exam for class 1 and 2. But children will be graded by seeing their active participation in the class. So you should tell them whatever data kaiye hoyithu edha solluda appo mark poduvaanga neenga solli anupanum. Okay, that is the practice in KVS. How they are listening, how they are speaking, how they are fitter. Edha sonna pesra definitely speech enna anukula ella the day teachers will be observing all the knowledge of the children. So your duty is to go and participate. Don't dull upon irukada solli anupanum. கொஞ்ச நாள் இருப்பாங்க, but gradually they will come to life. Both parents are at least with the, you should be with their parents for half an hour for all the subject what is given. Okay, you should be with the children. You are giving for 1 or 2 months you are taking care of the children, then afterwards you are least bothered and you are coming telling madam I have put the tuition. No, parent care is very much needed. For teaching class 1 and 2 parents ரொம்ப higher qualification la தேவையில்லை, 10th படிச்சனாலே போதும் அவங்கள அழகா டீச் பண்ணலாம். So your care is very much interest. ஏன் நம்ம டீச்சர் ஒட்டிக்குள்ள கேட்டா மம்மி say go. Children are coming and answering to us. My father is not wrong in the home. So many reasons children are coming forward. My father is scolding. My father is scolding the teacher. I will say PPT listen. This is a boys or dresses.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय,
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय,
मानवता निर्माण करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय,
मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
माता पिता ने हमको जन्म दिया, मेरे हित हरदम किया दिया,
माता पिता ने हमको जन्म दिया, मेरे हित हरदम किया दिया।
हम मेहनत कर सुबह शाम रोशन करें।